You can still recover damages from the other driver if you were injured in a motorcycle accident, yet you were not wearing a helmet. It is extremely important for every motorcycle rider to wear a helmet. However, if you do not, Florida is a comparative fault state. It is up to the jury to determine the percentage of fault attributed to the at-fault party and also what other types of percentage of fault you might carry for failing to wear your helmet. Just because you didn't wear a helmet doesn't mean you can't obtain justice.